In today's video, I compare the pressure loss and volume flow rate of different nozzles. 2 fixed and 2 rotating nozzles with different flow rates. This is the experimental setup. It starts with my high-pressure washer with a pressure gauge. The pressure washer generates a pressure of 207 bar, which is 3,000 psi. It is connected to a foot valve and then to the 100-meter pipe cleaning hose. There is a T-connector at the end of the hose. The nozzles are connected here. A second gauge is connected with another hose to measure the pressure difference. The first test is with a fixed high-flow nozzle. I measured this pressure at the nozzle and this volume flow rate. Compare this now with the fixed low flow rate nozzle. With this nozzle, the pressure reduction time is extended enormously because of the small bores. Now the rotating nozzle with the high volume flow rate is tested. There is a lot of leakage from the gap of the rotating body. The second rotating nozzle has a smaller flow rate, so the pressure loss is lower. Here is a summary of all the pressure and flow rate measurements. If you want to increase the pressure, like, subscribe.